Leonard here at the Randolph County Cooperative Extension, and I'm going to show you how to freeze corn today. We've already got some done, so it won't take as long. I've already shucked it. We've got the husk and everything off of it. Already got a lot of the bowl done. I'm going to use a gadget. This is a corn stripper. I like gadgets. Now, one thing when you're doing corn, you need to make sure you blanch it. Corn has enzymes, and if you don't put it up and not blanch it, you may go to your freezer and pull it out, and the enzymes may have eaten your corn and it be mush. So that's why we need to blanch it. And blanching it doesn't take very long to do. Basically, if you go ahead and have your water started boiling before you put your corn in, get it to have it to begin to boil again once the corn is in there, and it only takes 4 minutes. And then the idea with blanching is we have to cool it quickly. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and I use a lot of ice. Okay, so we've got our corn. All right, got water boiling, so we're going to go over here and put it in the pan. Okay, it's starting to boil. So we're going to set our timer for 4 minutes. Wash my hands. Alright. This is some we did earlier. So show you what we're going to do. We cooled this already, and I'll show you that step once our 4 minutes is done with that bowl. Okay. We're going to use freezer bags. You can use freezer containers, whatever you prefer. And I think you're ready to freeze things. We don't have to put any liquid in this. So we're just going to fill our bags. And we need to leave some head space, because as it freezes, it can expand a little bit. So I'll leave about 1 inch or so I can add a little bit more to this. Try to get as much air out of it as you can. think it takes longer to cut the corn than it does anything. Okay, our 4 minutes is up. We're blanching. So I'm going to take this. I've got a colander in the sink, and I'm going to show you how to quickly cool this down. So we're going to drain the hot water off. Okay. I've got ice in the bottom of this. So we're going to dump that in there. And I'm going to go get some ice and put over the top of this. Okay? Just a little bit of water. And we're going to stir this to help the ice melt, and it will cool the corn quicker. So we're going to get the ice out of it, drain it again. I'm just trying to get it to cool down. Okay, there's still some ice in it, so I'm going to pour this in. Put a little bit more water in it. All the ice is melted, I'll drain it again. I can put it in bags just like I did the earlier version. All I have to do is label my corn, write corn on it and the year. I can freeze it, and I use it within a year.